Imagine the world at your doorstep, literally. The future of trading and importing isn't just about crossing oceans and continents. It's about the convenience of having goods delivered from distant lands right to your door. Welcome to the revolution of door-to-door import service. When it comes to trading, time is the ultimate currency, and this service saves it in spades. No more waiting for shipments at warehouses, no more dealing with multiple intermediaries. From the bustling factories of China, the high-tech hubs of the USA, to the luxury markets of Dubai, your products are transported seamlessly to your doorstep in Pakistan. This service doesn't just save time, it also saves money. It's a cost-effective solution that cuts out unnecessary costs. With the middlemen out of the picture, you're looking at significant savings. The streamlined process also means less room for error, saving you from potential financial losses. But there's more. The spirit of giving is in the air as Ramadan approaches. And in the spirit of this blessed month, a special Ramadan offer is here to multiply the benefits. Enjoy an incredible 25% off on the service, applicable after 30 days. This Ramadan, the world isn't just closer, it's more affordable too. The door-to-door import service is the future of trading. It's efficient, it's cost-effective, and it's convenient. So why wait? Bring the world to your doorstep and make the most of the Ramadan offer. Your business deserves the best, and this service is here to deliver just that. Remember, the world is no longer a global village. It's your local neighborhood, and with door-to-door import service, your neighborhood just got a whole lot bigger.